We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
In this video, we will discuss about the split face in Revit. The split face tool split the selected face of the element without changing the structure of the element. You can use split face on any non-family instance. After splitting the face, you can use the paint tool to apply a different material to this section of face. These are the examples for split face applied in architectural elevations. For showing split face tool, here we are opening an elevation view of a building. The tool is on Modify toolbar. Click on the Modify toolbar. On Geometry panel, you can see the split face tool. Or you can use the command SF. Here, our aim is to apply two different materials on this wall face. In normal case, we can apply only one material to this face. Here, I will show you a demo. Now you can see the material is applied on entire face. Next, we demonstrate how to apply dual material on this same face. For that, click on Split Face tool. Select the face using draw tools. You can define the split boundary. Click on Finish button to exit from the tool. Now this face is splitted. Now we can apply different material on each face using paint tool. Thanks for watching this video.